Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So before we will enter the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something. So after making sure that you've got the internet, let's enter the Play Store. And of course, if you're not logged in, you will have to do it right now. And after that, just tap on the circle, which is your account. Now tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage option. And as you can see right here, we've got all apps and games which are installed on this device. And if you'd like to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, I've got 22 updates, so if you want to, you can update all of them, just mark them and tap on update, but of course you can update only one or two of them. So let me update, for example, the Chrome and Google Maps. If you're done, if you're sure that you want to update those apps, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually that's all. This is how to update the apps in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.